food from a real
Good morning, good
place.
evening, good afternoon, wherever you may be. CC here, Chris from New York, Westchester County. It's April 6th, 2018, and you know what? On Fridays, I like to keep you on your toes, okay? Keep you thinking. Only because I'm not able to put videos out on the weekend. But anyway, let me get into it. I know I've mentioned it before, but you know, how could you not? You know, and I hate taking shots at him, but you know, we're gonna go back into the weatherman again, okay? And I want you to think about what you've learned when you were younger about the planet spinning 1,000 miles per hour, okay? And I know some people will say, "Oh, well, the atmosphere also spins with the Earth too." I'm sorry, I don't buy it. Bullshit. It doesn't. Anyway, but I'm not here to talk about the storm fronts and all that coming in and the predictions that the weatherman makes. On Wednesday, I got out kind of early from work, and on the local news stations, they put out, I think it's 3-hour segments, you know, so what you're watching is pre-recorded pretty much. It was about 3:30 when I got home, and I was just listening to the weatherman, just finding out what was going on for the next day's weather. And he predicted that the wind would come in my area at 4 p.m. And I was like, all right, you know what? I'm here right now. Let me set the timer, and let me go outside at 4 p.m. and see. Now, it was calm all day, all right? There was no wind at all whatsoever. So I go ahead and set the timer. Bam. Strong winds come in, 25, 35 miles per hour. Okay? Wind is invisible, all right? Now, I know they have instruments and whatever. But how could they possibly predict something like that without us being on a flat, motionless plane? It's impossible. I mean, what? Well, then, you know what? Then ask your weatherman, what is the mathematics that he's using for it? How is he figuring out, taking the rotation of the planet, you know, and the wind, and the sky and the atmosphere, and putting it into some mathematical prediction supercomputer and coming up with an answer saying the wind's going to come in at 4 p.m. Okay? And bam, there it is. It comes right on schedule. You will never hear any weatherman explain to you that there's mathematics to figure out when these storm fronts are coming in, when the wind's coming in, because they don't have it. All right? I don't know if they know that we live on a flat plane. You know, has anybody explained this to them? Do they all know? Is this like a secret that with all the weathermen have? Because if they went through the same schooling as us, they would know that it travels at 1,000 miles per hour. I want you to think about that over the weekend, all right? Because it's all around you, guys, all right? It's all around you. I went on Flat Earth and Other Hot Potatoes show last night, Patricia's show, and I actually had a really good time. You know, it was my first interview, so I wasn't able to get everything I wanted, you know, to say, but how can you, you know, you look at yourself after the video's finished, and you know, you're always gonna. I could think of 20 or 30 things that I could have said. But you know, I'm looking forward to talking to her soon. She's gonna give me a link or something like that, and I'll put it on my videos. Maybe I can make a thumbnail or something on there, and you can look through it. Or if not, just go to her webpage and or channel, whatever, and take a look at it. It's the very last video that she put out. All right, I thank you for subbing. I thank you for viewing my videos. I thank you for letting me be a part of your life. All right? Okay.